Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating system requirements. Confirm your Windows 11 build and enable CPU virtualization in BIOS. That allows virtual machines to run. Next, install the Windows subsystem for Android or the Android emulator from the Microsoft Store. This provides the Android runtime. Once done, turn on Hyper-V and the virtual machine platform in optional features because they host virtual devices. Restart when prompted. Make sure drivers are current so the emulator can access GPU and networking without errors. You now configure the subsystem. Open its settings and allocate memory and GPU preferences and enable file access so you can transfer APKs. Then, install Android Studio for ADB and advanced emulator controls, or use the ADB binary included with the subsystem. This gives you app install and debugging capability. Create or start a virtual device with the API level you need, set resolution and shared folders, and make sure network and developer options are enabled for seamless app testing and file transfer. To finish, side load an APK using ADB, a DB install path /to/app. App and confirm it launches. You can also use the Microsoft Store apps directly. For better performance, tweak graphics backend, increase RAM allocation, or enable WSL integration when available. If something goes wrong, first verify virtualization is still enabled and update GPU and chipset drivers, then reboot. As a last resort, reset or reinstall the Windows subsystem for Android. This clears corrupted states, but keep a note of your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.